Based on sales analysis, you may find it necessary to stop selling variations of your product attributes. To make this change, you would need to open the product attributes one by one to deactivate the use of these variations, which would take a lot of time, and you would need to make sure you make this change on all attributes, so you would probably need to review everything once again. To help you with this, we'll show you how to deactivate the Used for Variations option for all your product attributes at once, using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your products on a spreadsheet for you to edit any of the fields and values right there, just as you would do with Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. To deactivate the use of variations for all product attributes, you must open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. Then, choose the Product Attributes field. Select Change Attribute Settings as the edit type. Now, select the setting used for variations. The new value will be No. And select All to deactivate the use of variations for all the attributes. Finally, execute and all the product attributes will be updated. Another option is to deactivate the use of variations only for specific attributes. To do this, we will use the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the Product Attributes field. Select Change Attribute Settings as the edit type. Now, choose the setting used for variations. The new value will be No. Here is where you can edit the product colors, the product sizes, etc. Finally, execute to update all the attributes. After these simple steps, you will have disabled the Used for Variations option for all the product attributes you want. It's really simple because you only have to do this process once and this will edit all your products, no matter how many there are. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.